Hello, friends. Welcome to Synth Sounds. It's your boy Rudra. Wishes you Happy New Year and welcome 2018. Okay, friends. Today video is about just a free VST plugin. It's from the Native Instruments VST plugin called Phases. Let me take a look. Yeah, guys, this is it. This is very nice and attractive VST plugin, man. Mostly you can use this VST plugin for your EDM tracks, progressive house, or future bass, and mostly the electronic. Yeah. Let's tweak some parameter of this VST plugin and what we get. Let's see. Friends, I will just tweak the parameter of this VST plugin and the result will be the in front of us. Let me tell one thing to guys. It also contains the several presets for your instruments. Here the option for the keys and guitars, synth pads, drums, special effects. Yes, so many. So first of all, just let's try this instrument on. Let's try this VST on the piano. Here's the pattern. I just turn it off. Now I will turn on. Okay. First of all, we will try this VST with the initial patch of this. Nice. Now we will try this with the presets. Okay, first of all, here are the options for the keys and guitars. You should push classic stereo. Now we will try it on drums. Let's take a look. That is pretty awesome. Okay, let's on the track. Okay, friends, that's it. I think you should try this. I like this VST plugin. Very effective. It's a free VST plugin, friends. You can download it from the links below the description. Okay, friends, this is for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and stay happy and enjoy your production.